Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AiSites review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called AiSites. So this is an AiSites review, and first of all let's get their name right. So here we have AI, then a space and sites, and then if I come here there's no space after AI, and then here there's no space, and here there is a space, there's a space, there's a space, there's no space. They're confused. They cannot decide how their product name is spelled. Is it AI site without the space, or is it AI sites with the space, or is it AI sites, or is it just AI site without S, with the S? What do I do now? What do I do? Where do I go to bang my head? Let me check one more time here. So here we have AI sites. So no space and S in the end. Okay. Here again AI sites. Here again AI sites. But here it's only one side. AI site and with the space. Come on, guys. What do I do? Somebody kill them. Somebody kill me. Do one of those things. They don't even care about their product name. I mean, can you, if you are, imagine you yourself or me myself, if you are going to launch your product or service, will you not be even sure about the name of your product? How is it spelled? Literally here you can see the seriousness of these people. They don't care. They just want money, okay? They think that you're a fool, unfortunately, and they are right. So they will sell you, and these numbers will change because this is launching on 22nd of May. So these prices will change. I am doing the review a day before, okay? So this price will surely change, but as of now, what I have is, you can see here, they don't care. They're not sure about their name. They think you're a fool. You will not notice any of this. You might not, but I will. And for me, it's garbage. Because if you are not even taking the name of your product seriously, who will take your product seriously then? A person like me? Never. Coming back. Now 30 seconds is all that you need to create a stunning website. Futuristic AI technology creates automated high converting websites in just 30 seconds that you can sell for the top dollar in hot blue. Okay, so skip hassles to directly dominate trending niches like fitness, dating, pets, self-improvement, technology, affiliate marketing, finance, countless others instantly. So you're supposed to create some websites and then sell them. Sell them. Go sell them. What are you waiting for? Go and sell them. Go now. Go on. Oh, you don't have anybody to sell? So if you buy AI sites, for example, or let's say I give AI sites to you for free, what's your plan after that? What are you going to do with AI sites? Let's say I put my money, I buy this for you on your behalf, and I give you the login access and the password of AI sites. What are you going to do after that? What's your plan? You're going to create a website? Let's say I give you 10 websites as well. I give you 10 ready-made websites. Tell me, what is your plan after that? What you are gonna do? What are you gonna do with those 10 websites? How will you make money? We are supposed to sell those websites. How would you sell? Who will buy from you? How would you sell? How will you bring people to come to your website to buy something from you? You don't make YouTube videos, I do. If you buy from me, I make money, you don't. If I sell you this AI sites, you buy from me, I make money, you don't. You don't make money by buying AI sites, you make money by selling AI sites. How do you sell? Make a YouTube video. You don't, so you don't make money. Alright, so 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, as usual stuff. So I again have no idea what the software is going to do, but as it says, it is going to create some websites for you, and then all of a sudden you are supposed to become some kind of freelancer and sell these websites. You see here, become some freelancer and sell these websites as if anybody knows you. Okay, sales page is never ending, and then we have the demo video somewhere here which is not even working. So I click on product demo and nothing is updated here as of now. Okay, so let's get done with this, and let me go back and have my dinner after this. Today is Sunday as well. Oh yeah, how can we forget the beach? And everything is given to you in $17, the magical number $17. I don't know why is it not 19, why is it not 20, why is it only 17? Maybe they know your pocket size, that this is how you much 17 is something which you afford to lose very easily, I guess, right? So we have some questions here. Is AiSites hosted on the cloud? Again, you see here there's no space. These motherfuckers, what do I say to them? Somewhere you have a space, somewhere you don't have a space. I'm done with all this, okay? So blah and blah and blah, I don't care about this, okay? F off. All right. Okay, let's come back and show you some OTOs. OTOs are right here. This is the super sexy suicidal funnel. This is front end, 100 done for you, websites, pages, blogs, add 100 domains, no problem. OTO 1, OTO 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, God knows what else, okay? As of now, demo is not out, so I can't show you, or you can't see what you will be, how the software will be working. So maybe what I will do is, I might leave the link of this AiSites below my YouTube video. So if you come below my YouTube video and find a link which says grab AiSites copy here, click on that link will take you to the sales page, and you might have the demo out on the sales page itself, okay? Now if you buy this, you will be able to create some websites, but it will not make any single penny. So maybe I can apply for my links. I don't really promote anything, so whether you buy or not doesn't really matter. But if you only want to see the demo video, then you can click on the link below my YouTube video. Oh, this is already approved. Okay, so I will leave this link below my YouTube video, okay? And then you can figure out. And what else do we have here? So AiSites, again, this thing has got nothing to do with making money. If you are here to make money online, do not buy this. But if you can find the demo video of AiSites somewhere, and you want to create some websites for whatever reason, I don't know why, but if you want to make or create these websites, go and buy from a link, make me some money, okay? Now let's talk some sense here. If you want to make real money on the internet, I use a couple of methods personally. This link here says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is this here. And then second is this Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube. So if you are here only to make money online, you can know more about these methods. So watch the video till the end so that you can make some real money online. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on Super Thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kish tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kish tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kish tracking training. And this Kish tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.